Welcome to Virtual Kitchen. Today, we're making the perfect paratha, soft inside, crispy outside. Let's get started. You'll need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee, and half a cup of warm water. In a large bowl, mix flour and salt, add ghee and mix with fingers. Gradually pour warm water and knead into a smooth, soft dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. This helps make the paratha soft and flaky. Divide dough into small balls. Dust with flour and roll into a circle. Add ghee, fold, and roll again for layers. Heat a tawa or flat pan. Place paratha and cook on medium heat. Flip when bubbles appear, apply ghee, and cook until golden brown. Your golden flaky paratha is ready. Serve hot with yogurt, pickle, or tea. Perfect for breakfast or lunch. Thanks for watching. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious dishes from Virtual Kitchen.